Welcome, in front of me is an HTC Desire 19 Plus, and today I'll show you how to capture a screenshot on this device. So to get started, you want to open out the content that you wish to capture, which I'm going to use as an example, just the home screen. And once you have it open and visible, all you really need to do is press and hold power key and volume down, both keys at the same time. You'll get a flash like this, and then it just disappears. And from here, after a moment, it pops up with a couple options. So you can see you can share, edit, or delete, or you can completely disregard this. And the image can be found in your photo gallery. So let's just find that. It's right here. And there it is. So screenshots. And tap on it and view the image that I have captured. So that is how you would capture a screenshot on the device. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.